seeing my YouTube channel Learn Accounting with Sir Haris. Today I am at General Hospital, right? I came here for my own MRI, right? This is my MRI report actually which has been given to me, and the wonderful thing is this, that really it is an amazing thing what Maryam Nawaz has done. There is no doubt that I have voted for Khan for a very long time, but believe me, Maryam Nawaz Sahiba, you are not only presentable, rather you are representing that you are the real ones of CM Punjab. I met the DMS, Dr. Usman, and he is a nice person. I asked him that I need a early time, and he was very satisfied with my attitude, and he said that you are obviously a teacher. So today is Sunday, and I have come here, and my MRI has done, and everything is very clear. I have visited the Department of Neurology. I have visited the outdoor and the indoor patients even, because when you go to the particular MRI department, you have to go through that. So everything is wonderfully done, and that is that Maryam Nawaz Sahiba, you have visited these places again and again, and that is because of that reason. So I believe that this, whatever objections has been raised upon you, that's fine. I accept it, because whatever your party has been doing since the last 30 years, you were nowhere, to be honestly speaking. But in order to remove this cult of Khan Sahab, I'm going down to the MRI department. Actually, I'm talking to you right now along with that. So I think you are doing something very special, which has never happened actually in Punjab. But do you think that this is enough? The schemes you are launching and the visits you are going for the hospitals, even it is very difficult to get time in Canada, Australia, right? In UK even to get an MRI. And if you are emergency, you can come here and you will go for an MRI easily. Everything. This machine works 24/7. So this is the department. And to be honestly speaking, I am very happy with the MS, with all the people, and especially with the DMS also, and with the MRI staff. They are so supportive, believe me, right? It took me 25 minutes to go for my MRI. So hats off to you. But the last but not the least, मरियम नवाज साहब, आपने मुझे कहा था हुकूमत से सवाल करो, तो आज आपसे मुझे सवाल मैं करने जा रहा हूँ। अभी लंदन जाने से पहले नवाज शरीफ साहब यहाँ पे आए हैं, ठीक है, वो मैंने पता करवा लिया, और वो 2 से 3 घंटे उनका MRI होता रहा, फुल बॉडी MRI, राइट? सो I believe that he has paid for that also, and you should have the receipts of that particular also. Then I raised the question to the supportive staff over here and the MS also, that why Nawaz Sharif Saab has been given the chance to go for the whole body MRI, and why he is there for 2-3 hours. Why? Because he is not the owner of this country. Because if you want to go for an MRI, you can go for your spine, right, for your PNS, for your backbone, but not the whole body at one time. So looking forward that you will answer my question. But other than that, I think that is amazing, right? The cleanliness, the staff, the whole scenario, it's look like things have really changed. And the question has been raised by Uzma Bukhari about the same thing, right? That why jo CM KP ki, he should be very happy to see this place. That is right. Yes, he should have been happy, because whatever you have done, right? They can never do that in the next 50 years, because they did nothing in the last 14 years. So that is a cult. That's it. And it has been, from where it has come. Maryam Nawaz Sahiba, ये आया है सारा कहाँ से? बाहर से, abroad से, UK से, USA से, Australia से, Canada से. Those people who have nothing to do with Pakistan, who have no stake in Pakistan, they are creating this social media, and they are putting up all the videos on social media regarding whatever you have happened. लेकिन सवाल वही है कि अगर आप गूगल पे सर्च करें लास्ट क्वेश्चन तो नाम किसका आता है जी? द मोस्ट करप्ट पीएम इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ पाकिस्तान, इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, सॉरी मैम, इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, राइट? दैट इज़ योर फादर। उसको ख़त्म कराएं मरियम साहिबा, और मेरा नंबर नोट करें 0333471287। लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू सी यू एज सुन एज पॉसिबल, बीइंग ए टीचर ऑफ दिस नेशन एंड द बिल्डिंग स्टोन ऑफ द नेशन, राइट? लेट्स सी। थैंक यू वेरी मच, सी यू सून।